Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi A5 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So we will start with blocking the number on your contact list, which is currently saved, and then I'll show you the way to enter the blacklist. So let's start with opening your contacts and finding the contact which you'd like to block. So for example, this one. Now let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so just confirm it with OK. We do not have any kind of icon here or information. However, after tapping on the three dots icon again, you can see that instead of block option, we've got this unblock, which means that we just successfully blocked this number. Of course, we can unblock it here, but let me leave it like this, because now I'd like to show you the second way. So now we have to switch to the phone dialer instead, to the recents actually. We have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. So here we've got blocked numbers. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts, so the previous option also works. Here we can also tap on add a number, and as you can see, we can enter the number manually. We do not have to have it saved on our contacts. Tap on block and it will also immediately apply on the blacklist. What is more, here we've got this option unknown, so you can block the calls from all unidentified callers. You can turn this option on just by tapping on the switcher and tap on it again to turn it off. If you'd like to unblock the number, you can simply tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.